Let's say I want a music theme to play inside the village. Then, when I move to another part of the village, the music should smoothly transition into a second theme. And when I step onto the pier, a drum section should be added to the music. First, I need to prepare the musical fragments, and for this I open Ableton. I have created two musical sections, each 4 bars in length, that can easily be looped. Here's the first one. And the second one. They fit together pretty well, so it won't be a problem to transition smoothly between them. And I've also created a drum part that can complement both loops. Next, I need to set up the playback logic in FMOD. In this example, I made it so that the musical fragments switch vertically based on a parameter. When the instrument's parameter is set to 0, we hear the first musical theme, and when it's set to 1, we hear the second one. Additionally, I set the seek speed for this parameter so that the transition isn't instant but smooth. For the drums, I created a drums parameter and set it up similarly. When it's 0, the drums track is muted, and when it's 1, it plays. This way we can easily add drums to both the first and second music themes. Great, now let's move on to Unity. First, I create a game object with box collider that covers the area I need. Then I use the FMOD Studio parameter trigger script and configure it like this. I set our player as the target. And then when the player enters the collider, the instrument's parameter is set to 0. And in this script below, I set it up so that when the player leaves the collider, the parameter switches to 1. For the drums, I did something similar. I created a spherical collider. When we enter it, the drums parameter is set to 1. And when we leave it, it switches back to 0. Okay, let's listen to it again. Thanks everyone for watching.